Hello everyone. Today, let's learn merge feature, which is one of the main differentiators of NDAP platform. What is merge? Data merge is the process of combining two or more datasets into one. Most often, this process is necessary when we have raw data stored in multiple data tables, and you want to analyze in consolidated variables. Combining of datasets into one can happen either by combining all data variables of datasets, or combining specific data variables of multiple datasets into one for any specific analysis, and combining dimensions and variables by normalizing the datasets to common granularities. Why merge? Merge enables to combine different datasets with specific data variables into a single dataset and help the user in getting specific analysis done based on the merged data variables. NDAP supports combining up to 3 datasets. How is merge performed in NDAP? In NDAP, merge can be performed in 3 steps. Access to the platform, features of search and merge. Identification of primary and secondary datasets to merge. Selection of indicators and variables to merge and perform data analysis on merged dataset. Let's now take an example to understand the merge functionality better. Let's take a use case, where a researcher wants to view the total male and female population state-wise and town-wise in one single format for the state of Goa, and derive insights through analysis. Now, this data exists in 2 different formats. To merge this data, let us first pick the dataset we are trying to merge: state-wise census data and town-wise census datasets. You can choose to start from any of the 2 formats of your choice. Let's say you have a dataset by the name Census 2011, Primary Census Abstract Total. This dataset consists of data on census population by gender. Let us call this our primary dataset. Click on the Merge Datasets option to start with the merging from the top right corner of the dataset page you are in. A dialog box appears providing you a snippet of data on the standardization in NDAP with necessary links for the documents. Click on Proceed. Now, add the second dataset by clicking on Add Secondary Dataset to merge. You are required to type second dataset name and select from the list of the datasets that appear. In our example, type in the keyword census to get the secondary dataset. I have the dataset by the name Census 2011, Town Directory. This dataset provides all the census details of the town census. Click on it and you now have both the datasets mapped and ready to be merged. The second step after selecting datasets is adding indicators and dimensions to the merged dataset as per your preference from the selected datasets. Dimensions are unique column names in a dataset as primary keys, for instance, state ID, village ID, and other dimensions as time and geography, etc. On the other hand, indicators are the values that are observed or measured for each dimensions in the dataset. In our example, our analyst will have to add the total population along with the gender for Goa state. You can add any number of indicators and dimensions for the merged dataset in this step. Finally, you have the merged dataset with fields selected for further analysis. A color scheme is assigned to datasets to differentiate between fields of individual source datasets. Our analyst can visualize the merged data using different representations available in the Data tab as per his reference. This brings to the end of this tutorial. We hope this video tutorial helped you with the concept of merge and its functionality, the process involved in navigation to perform merge. Please leave your feedback and comments in the feedback section of this portal. Thank you.